Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create flashy slow-mo in CapCut. So tap on your project and select your video you want to edit, and here I already have one project. And you can select the part you want to make flashy slow-mo. So for instance, I'm going to select this part. Just tap on this clip, select split, and select split again. So in the middle clip you can select the speed, select normal speed, and just going to swipe to the left for the slower, and you can make it smoother, better quality. Just click check mark. So waiting for the playing this smooth slow motion, and tap on the middle clip. Yes, and just add the overlay. Select overlay, add overlay, and select stock videos. Select white screen, just click add, so you can make it shorter. Make it shorter and just merge it. Select splice button, select overlay, just for the opacity for the 90. Click check marks and copy paste. So give it some distance like so. You can copy paste again, make a distance so you can see the result like so. So it's so simple, yeah, basically. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.